Okay, so right now we will do the unboxing, which is the unboxing with airplanes because it's not a brand new album. With the unboxing of the Christina Aguilera's Latin debut album, which is called Reflejo. In this one, you can notice that Christina and the whole concept of the album is the Coming of a Baby video because it was released at the same time that in the United States the Coming of a Baby single was released. So the concept, the style, the hairstyle, everything, and the wardrobe of Christina and all the album, the backgrounds and the art is just like the Coming of a Baby video. On the front, you can see the Christina's over there. It says Christina Aguilera, New Reflejo, and it's in the CD, which means that it has multimedia multimedia files. It has the unlocked file and watching the videos of this CD. And just as you can see, he's wearing the outfit for the Come On Over Baby. This is Christina Aguilera, just dancing in the back. He has 11 songs. All the songs are in Spanish, and most of the songs on this album are Spanish version of the songs in the previous album, No Hair, which is her debut album. So most of the songs in this one are Spanish version of this album. Some people say that this is Spanish version of this album, but it's quite a lot. It has the five singles of the first album in Spanish, and then 5 new songs. So let's review it. In this case, as you tell, the art of this is like in the video. I mean, the little circles everywhere and the colors. That was the color. But this is the CD. It doesn't have anything. It's just the points. I mean, the red background and little silver points on it. And the picture at the bottom. Not scratches at all. And it also has the stones all over around this circle. Yeah. So that's basically it. And now we're going with the booklet. The booklet for this album it's not like the first album. In this one, it's like some piece of paper that you can fold. You see. It opens like this first, and if you see, she's right there with a Come On Over Baby outfit, and right there it tells about a little bit about. I'm gonna read it for you. Dedicated to my family, who has inspired me and motivated me to feel me proud of my Latin roots, and to all my Latin public all around the world who has inspired me to do this album. And you can open it like this. This is the thanks, the circle within the circle concept logo that I was talking to you about the first album. Christina Aguilera with her Come On Over Baby outfit. There you go. She's right there. One picture of her. All the songs of the album. And the credits. Those are all the songs and all the credits. And on the other side, it's quite hard to use it. And on the other side, we have the same picture. That's been the one pictures. That's it. That's pretty much it. And it's really complicated to see this album. But yes, it's just like that. It just has the lyrics, those pictures that I showed you, and the credits of the song. That's it. That's all we have. The album is really good, and as I'm telling you, it's just a Spanish version of her debut album. But the concept of the album and everything of the artwork is from the Come On Over because the first single of this album was Ven Conmigo. So it's the Spanish version of Come On. And it was released at the same time, so that's the reason why she looks like that. Of Coming Over. I mean, I also watched one is Coming Over Baby single that it has the same cover right here instead of saying Mary Flowers, that's Coming Over Baby. Christina Aguilera has her first album. She released a limited edition album. It has the regular CD, which is this one, and another one with remixes. read and everything. But that's it. That is Christina Aguilera Reflejo. I think I told you already that it's in humanity. So it has a possibility of humanity, which is the name of the 20 in Spanish.